Welcome back, guys. Today's video is a Christmas clean with me. I'm going to take you along with me while I clean the house this Christmas season. Before we start, if you could take a second to just click the thumbs up and like the video and subscribe if you're new, that would mean so much to me. I'm going to start by setting myself up with a pre-clean coffee just to give me a little boost of energy before I get started. I'm also just going to set the scene a little bit. I'm going to get out my Christmas slippers and I'm going to turn on the lights on the tree. I'm also obviously going to put on some Christmas music, so sorry if this sets off your Alexa. Alexa, play Christmas music.
Christmas hits from Spotify.
Okay, I'm ready to go. Christmas music is on. Let's get started. I'm going to start in the kitchen and I'm going to empty the dishwasher. This is all clean. It needs to be emptied and put away. So I'm going to empty this and then I'm going to fill it back up with the dirty plates that are in the sink. Next up, I want to clean the sink. Oh my gosh, would you look at the state of those plug holes? I don't even know what that is. I don't even want to know, to be honest. So I'm going to get the Power Paste by Scrub Daddy. I'm going to use the Scrub Daddy sponge and I'm going to use this amazing paste to scrub all around the sink. It gets off all sorts of dirt and grime and leaves it sparkling. Now I can just rinse the paste off with some hot water and it will leave a sparkling sink underneath. I'm going to just use some bicarb to just clean the plug holes and the plug area of the sink. I'm just going to put a few scoopfuls over each of the plug holes and I'm also just going to sprinkle it on my Scrub Daddy so that I can clean him so that he is clean and ready to use on the next occasion. And I'm just going to pop some white vinegar over the top of the bicarb and it makes a little reaction. It all fizzes up and it's very satisfying. Onto the worktops now. I have a Christmas scent flash spray, of course, and I'm just going to spray down all of the quartz worktops and wipe them down with a cleaning cloth. Also my chopping board as well that I haven't wiped down since breakfast this morning, so that needs clean too. Okay, next up is a toy tidy up. I haven't touched any of this since this morning, since before the boys went to school, and yeah, it's a bit of a mess. So I'm going to get down and I'm going to put all these toys away in the right places. I also need to tidy up the dining area. There's clothes that have been drying on the chairs. There's breakfast smoothie bottles and all sorts left around here, so I need to tidy up. And then I'm going to repeat the process using the Flash Christmas spray and just wiping down the surface of the dining table. Okay, next up I want to clean the boys' sofa, as this sofa gets a lot of action, as you can imagine. And I'm going to do a little hack. I'm going to get some hot water with a bit of Christmas scented Zaflora, and I'm going to dip a microfiber cloth in here and get it all covered in the lovely Zaflora solution. Then I'm going to get myself a pan lid, and I'm going to wrap this cloth all around the pan lid, securing it at the top with my hand, and I'm going to use this to clean the sofa. As you can see, if you just wipe along the sofa quite hard, it will clean so much quicker because you can cover a wider surface. You might have to go back and sort of re-dampen the cloth a few times, but I find it works really, really well. There are a couple of tougher sort of milk marks that have been made by my toddler that I'm going to go in by hand using the same cloth and the same solution. I just need to go in and scrub a little bit harder, but they all came off. Next, I'm going to turn on my lovely Eufy robot vacuum so that he can vacuum downstairs while I get on with some other jobs. He is just so helpful. So while he's busy down there, I'm going to come upstairs and make the beds. First of all, there is a mountain of dirty laundry down by my darling partner's side of the bed, which is pretty much a daily occurrence. I'm going to pick all of this up and put it in the laundry basket. I'm just going to tidy up the bedside tables a little bit as well before I change the beds. I'm going to change our bedding, strip all the old bedding off, come in the laundry cupboard, get out the fresh bedding, and I'm going to put that on.
As long as I spend this day with you, so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk.
And of course I'm going to finish with some Christmas Febreze Sugar Plum Delight fabric spray. My son's rooms don't actually need the bedding changed, they've been changed recently, so I'm just going to make their beds instead and make them all cozy, ready for when they get home later on.
Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love.
Next I'm going to vacuum the carpets upstairs. I'm going to do this by hand using my Bosch vacuum cleaner. I'm going to go through all the bedrooms and the landing as well and vacuum all of the carpet.
Stay with you, so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love.
Now that's done, I'm going to come downstairs. I'm going to sit down with a drink because that was a pretty full-on hour or so that I just spent doing that. I'm actually going to put on a little Christmas movie and get in the spirit of things while my robot vacuum keeps doing his thing. But guys, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in my next video.